It's very interesting because the mouse blocked us out at Disney. I mean, totally blocked us out. We cannot go till after the. Well, I mean, we could go, but we would have to pay. We're sinners. We're going to turn our back on Disney, and we're going to Knott's Berry Farm.
Snoopy!
I know it's like saying, children, cover your ears, but we're going to Knott's Berry Farm. We're on our way there right now, and so stay tuned because here we go.
Hi everyone, welcome to One Step Adventure. I'm Steve.
I'm Uncle Don.
So,
Merry Christmas,
Merry
everybody.
Christmas. So we're at Knott's Berry Farm, and it's been a long time we're here. So we're gonna check out Christmas here.
And
We got
eat
the
some stuff and see what they have. Maybe see a show here.
and we got the annual pass. So we will be back here more.
Just the baby annual pass.
Baby annual pass. All right, if you like all the theme park adventure, follow us over here, turn on the notification bell so no time and day we release our video, and let's go. A lot of little shops around here and here.
This all used to be free.
How long ago was all used to be free?
Oh, I don't know. Back in the 60s.
60s.
Maybe 50 years ago or so.
Uncle don't remember that when they first opened. So we're going to check out the Christmas Carol show. Oh, there's people here already. Whoa. Okay, where do we going to sit? So we just watched the Christmas Carol. You like
Yes, the Christmas Carol. Ebenezer Scrooge.
it? So it's good. You should definitely check it out.
You can check it out.
Yeah, but chairs sucks though.
Chairs
It's very
suck.
hard to sit down. But anyway, so I like all the Christmas light. It looks really like almost like you were in. I don't want to say Europe, but it's kind of like Christmas market-ish feel.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice. So we have no idea where we're going, what we're doing. We just walk around to see what happens. It's called the Gold Trading Hotel Mercantile. That's pretty warm. Oh, good thing is, I think Christmas stuff's all 50% off. Merry Christmas. Here, Wagon Camp. Another show here. 6 o'clock, 7:30, 9:30. There's a lot of show here. It's not very snowing here. Whoa. The snow is very strong. Wow, it's like a snowstorm. Okay, so we're finally here, find the Santa Claus, and we want to get some Christmas food here. Let's see what I have here. Apple cider.
Sugar Indian fry bread.
Oh, but you can't have that. They have that, I seen that already. Candy. I want something savory. That's a photo, maybe over there. The line to take photo of Santa Claus is long. Oh, cookie. Dessert stations. Oh, that's how you made a cheesecake. Yum. Oh. Awesome. Thank you very much.
Of course, have a good night.
So So everybody who watches this knows that I like bourbon. So this is a peanut butter whiskey cocktail. Hot. So it has hot chocolate, peanut butter whiskey, marshmallows on top, etc. So it's kind of supposed to taste like a Reese's.
Oh.
So here we go. I saw her put the whiskey in, and I think she put a lot.
Uh-oh. Looks like you like it.
Wow. It's really good. Okay, the other thing we got was the chocolate covered cheesecake. So I can eat cheesecake. So here we go. Wow. It tastes like chocolate covered cheesecake.
Yeah. Is the cheesecake cold? I saw her pour chocolate over it.
Wait, what are we?
It's good.
I'm Snoopy, he's not.
Okay, so far the Christmas
So
dessert.
far. Good. Merry Christmas.
Cheers.
Okay, so we're at the Ghost Town Grill restaurant, and it's a very old-fashioned restaurant, but when you walk in, there's a grill stove right here, the old-fashioned one. You can put the wood in there.
A few minute wait. Are you guys fine waiting for a bit? I don't know when you're ready for it.
What kind of sauce is that?
Unless you want this.
It's like a crema.
No, I know, so you want this piece?
It's okay.
It's okay, alright. Heard that before, right?
Beef tip?
Beef, what is it? It's not tri-tip, right? It's tender, it's chewy.
Well, I think I got one that was. Here, let me get a little different.
It's kind of dry.
Better.
Okay. I'm definitely gonna try that.
Okay.
I overheard she say that the boysenberry is frozen. It's not good. Need to be come out a little bit before they eat.
Oh, I didn't know you get the
Oh, the barbecue is very tame. It's good. But I don't know if I particularly like the meat. It feels tough for me. Are they supposed to be tough like that? And I tried the French fries. Very salty. Alright, so what do you think the first night here?
Well, definitely fun. It was definitely fun. It's very Christmassy, and that's what we were looking for.
And then the show was really, really good.
Yeah, the show, the Scrooge, the Calico Christmas Carol.
Must see.
Very good.
Dinner,
Bunch
pass.
of good people. Dinner at the Ghost Town Grill.
No. But
Don't do it.
don't do it. But I really like the cast member in the Parnada restaurant. They're very nice. They're pretty efficient too. Even at the customer service, pretty fast too.
By the way, the treats in with Santa, they were awesome. I mean, really, really good.
We
Just
make
dinner.
But now we know. Now we know. That's to watch our video, so
we know.
we know what not to eat. All right, we hope you liked this video. If you like video like this, follow us over here. Turn on notification bell so every time we release our video, and follow Uncle Don at
Epicurious_Uncle Don on Instagram.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody.
Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening, aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin, Carefully designed for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.